Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up and up down, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see. It's a good, good.
Morning, Erica.
Good morning.
How's it looking?
The entire service territory is good except for one outage.
We're working on that outage now.
Mom, trucks are here!
We're almost finished. We'll be back up shortly.
Power's back! Thank you!
Keep your plans, because we're keeping our promise. Discover why you can depend on us at DuquesneLight.com. Duquesne Light Company. Larger than light.